Straight Teeth Direct. The reviews on Trustpilot were incredible.
The first step I took was I took some photos of my smile and sent them off to Straight Teeth Direct through that. They had a look at them and said, yeah, we can help you.
So you get your two patties here and you're going to mix them together.
You're then going to roll it into a sausage shape. Next you're going to place the putty into the trays, making sure it's nice and even, slightly thicker at the front but going all the way to the back.
You get assigned a dentist once you've decided to go ahead with the treatment, and then they sent me through the 3D simulation.
So here are the aligners.
One pair for 2 weeks, about 22 hours a day, which is quite good. So you still can take them out when you eat and drink or have a coffee and then put them back on.
Take out the mouthwash from my aligners and then maybe give them a bit of a scrub just in case they get a bit dirty.
You get the reassurance back from the orthodontist that your teeth are making the right progress, and also any other kind of questions and concerns that you've got.
And so far it's been really great, and the progress is incredible.
I was able to fix my teeth even without leaving my place.
Body smells good. I like it.